to install one of these water softener. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. First step, you have to, in order to install this, you have to remove this, and then you have the head, and the head will go like that, as you can see. So before you do that, you have this plastic that you see here. This is the head, as you can see. So you have to do is just you have to screw this in. So it comes like that, and then you have to put it like this, twist it, and that's it. And then you put some Vaseline in this area here, so that way it will fit. All you have to do, put some Vaseline here in the area, so that way it will fit fine. Alright, once we put the Vaseline, you can see it's going to fit the fan, and now all we have to do is just screw it in, and we should be good. Another thing that you will have to do is remove the screws from here, and from the other side, so basically this one, so that way we can install this. So as you can see, you have to put the screw here. Once I made a mistake, I didn't realize I put the screw here and this was in this area. You're going to have a big leak, so make sure that it's in the right place. If you have to make a lot of, if you have to force it a lot in order to screw it in, it's because you're in the wrong hole. Some videos, some places they will say, okay, put the Vaseline, you know, in the connectors, but sometimes it causes leaks, so it's better to put it like that. So now that we have the big bucket, as you can see here, we have to install this. So we have the washer on this, like this goes here, as you can see, and then the other one we're going to do it, you know, around and then light it up that way, and then through this hole we're going to run a hose that will come inside this area that you see here. Alright, so once you see it like that, we put this here, and it goes like that. So if it overflows, it will go through here to somewhere in the drainage that they don't have. In this case, they have the bucket, so we have to put the hose that goes there. Alright, so as you can see, from here, this hole, you have to align it with this one. So you remove the cover here, tighten this up. So we're going to connect the line, the water hose that goes here, and then it goes there. So it's on, so everything is clear, just push it, and it will fit, and if you have to remove it, just push this back like this, and then pull the hose, and that's it. So you have only one size, and this one goes here, and the blue one, and the big one goes to the drainage that they don't have, is going to be the bucket. Alright, so if you have to remove this, remove the the blue ring, and then push the gray thing in, pull it, that's it. Otherwise, just to hook it up, push it in, and ready to go. Alright, so now this is the salt that you have to use. 2 bags usually is plenty enough to put everything here. Later you put some water, follow the instructions, operate everything here. We should be good. So now all I'm waiting is to get the hoses so that way I can hook it from here to this place. Alright, so as you can see, I use all the bags. So I would recommend maybe 1 more bag, and I would recommend also to have like 3 or 4 more bags because you're going to need it sometime. After this, we put the cover back in. We can operate the machine. So to hook this up is easy. Basically, at the end is the water lines coming from the wall, as you can see, and the out the one that goes to the rest of the house there. That's it. When you do that, everything should be ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, I put a little bit of pipe thread, as you can see. Usually you don't have to do that, any of that because it has the gasket inside, but sometimes the gasket doesn't work that well, and then you have to take it out or adjust it too much, and I don't want to do this hundreds of times, so I prefer do this just in case and make it work. Right, I took this out, very easy, just unscrew this, very easy. Now we got here, I want to put this here, there, and we should be good. Alright, as you can see, it's working. We have no leaks at all. Everything is good here. Here. We have no leaks here either, over there either. As you can see, everything is plugged in. We don't have any leaks or anything like that. Everything is good. So this goes somewhere outside in the drainage, and all we have to do is put in maybe a hose here, and we should be good.